Alright, olive oil's up to full steam. We're fixing to put the meat in. Alright, we got 4 little sticks. Got it smoking. We're gonna brown them on both sides real quick. Alright, the onions going. Let's check those fellas. Looking good. Alright. Doing real good. Look at me. Look how nice that is. Smell that. Smell that. Alright. Look, all I did was brown them real good on one side and flip them over. It's only been about a minute. That's what I want to do. Look at that. Onions are doing good. That's real good. Show you what I'm going to do in a minute. Look at that. Stir them both sides. Look at that. It ain't quite cooked. That's alright. Let's stir them both sides. I'll take them out. I'll take them out, man. I'll put them right there. 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 Let them sit there a minute. Check the onions. Onions are coming. Ain't ready yet, good girl. So I took them sticks out. You see what I did? They ain't cooked. But I cut them in cubes, little pieces. I have to cut that one. I'll cut them all up. Let's check the onions. The onions are coming along. See they get brown? You gotta smell them. They're starting to smell. They ain't there yet. Nope, but they're coming. See that? And we got some on standby. Show you what I'm gonna do with that. Got a Bloody Mary. Got some of that. Yes, indeed. All right, I got it all cubed up. I'm gonna put it back in the skillet. Finish browning it all. That ain't gonna take long. They're going in little pieces. Let's check them onions. Look at that. Smell it. Caramelized onions. Alright. Beat the shit out of the equipment. Alright. Let's see how this thing go. Oh, that didn't take long. See, they're all a little brown. Look at them onions. Now I'm gonna put them onions. That's where they belong with that meat. Get them all in the meat. I'm going to put the camera down so y'all just stand by and listen to my nonsense. I got them in there. We're just going to spread the onions out. Oh, 5 onions I used. There's one additional. But I did hold some back. Sorry about that. Got it on high. Got some additional onions. We're going to throw them additional onions on top of that. Spread that around. Just like that. Lower that far a little bit. And put a lid on it. Alright. We're getting close. Let me show you what's in there. Okay. I'll show you what's up on here. See, I put them onions. They're almost ready. Them onions are soft. I'm gonna let them go a couple more minutes. Yeah, a couple more minutes and then they're gonna be there. Alright? So it'll be good. I don't know, somebody took my drink, so I'm about to make me another. Alright. Miller High Life. That's the last time you seen one of them. That's what I'm talking about. I usually tilt it over and I don't make no foam, but I'll be alright. Look at that, Miller High Life. Oh yeah. Oops. Hope it don't spill. Let's look under here. They're softening up more. We're almost there. I washed a couple of dishes because that's the kind of guy I am. Yeah. We'll take us a sip. Almost done. I'm calling it. Look at that gravy. See that gravy? Got some gravy in there. Oh yeah. Wiggle it around. Everything's just fine. The onions done softened up, and then we got them caramelized onions underneath there for good flavor. So hope y'all enjoyed it, because I'm fin to.